That's DIY babe, because I believe you can cook it yourself. Today, we'll be cooking vegetable soup with a twist. This is specially optimized for those living outside Nigeria who don't have access to the traditional ingredients. So let's get started.
First, I'll add enough water to cover the washed meat offals and cover to parboil. This process removes blood and other grime that darkens the color of the meat broth. Once it boils, remove from fire and wash again. Then to the washed meat offals, I'll add onion, rosemary, thyme, 1 clove, bouillon cubes, salt, pepper flakes, fennel seed, cumin, and some water, then cover to boil until it's soft. For my pepper mix, it's 30% onion for taste, 20% scotch bonnet for heat, 20% long red pepper for color and redness, and 30% tomato for sauce. Blend roughly and set aside. Here's the twist. I used kale and spinach for this soup, which is what I found in the store. So to your already rinsed vegetable, pour some salt and hot water over it and let sit for 5 minutes. Decant the water and rinse the vegetable till it's soft to stop the cooking process and also preserve the green color. Squeeze and set aside. Add hot water to your dry locust beans if you're using the dried one, but if yours is fresh, you can skip this step. Then add hot water to your fish and your roasted dry crayfish. Then rinse off in cold water after 5 minutes of soaking. To a clean dry pot, add 3 cooking spoons of palm oil. Once it's melted and hot, add in your pepper mix and cover to boil for 20 minutes. Add your decanted meat stock, locust beans, fishes, and cover to boil for another 20 minutes. Add your meat offals to your boiling soup. I air fried mine. This process is totally optional. Then cover to cook for another 20 minutes. Taste your stew before adding any more salt and bouillon cubes, as it might not be needed after adding your meat broth. Then cover to cook for another 5 minutes if you're adding any more salt and bouillon cubes. Add your vegetable and stir to combine well, then cover to cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Voila! The soup is ready. You can pair this with any swallow of your choice. For me, I'm pairing mine with semovita. If you want to learn how to cook this, the link to it is going to be added at the top right hand corner of the page. Thank you.